Our top 5 best static pressure fans. One number product. Be Quiet Pure Wings Cooling Fan. Many people think that the most expensive fans are the most silent of them all. For the Be Quiet. In Pure Wings 2, that is not the case. Be Quiet is a German-based company that offers incredible cooling solutions for your gaming PC. The Pure Wings 2 is most suited for water-cooled and air-cooled systems. It has 2 extra blades compared to the earlier model, which enhances the fan's airflow capabilities. The Pure Wings 2 is quieter than its previous iteration. The 120mm variant makes the fan popular amongst PC builders. Pure Wings 2 has a speed of 2000 RPM, which you can regulate using your motherboard controls. The fans create around 36.3 decibels, which is a really impressive number in terms of performance. The blades of the Pure Wings 2 are optimized for efficient airflow. The surface helps minimize air turbulence, providing streamlined airflow. The fans have a rubberized frame that reduces the transfer of vibration noises. To further reduce the vibration, the Pure Wings 2 has an anti-vibration system that is very easy to install. 2 number product. Arctic Pure Wings Cooling Fan. The Arctic P12 is a pressure-optimized PWM 120mm fan. It sports a 5-blade design, fluid dynamic bearing, that has a unique way of dispersing the air. The P12 is optimized for static pressure. This means the air that passes through the fans is focused in a single area, which then creates a region of high air pressure. In terms of cooling, the Arctic P12 is very efficient and is ideal for heat sinks. You can also use it on your PC casing. It has a small magnetic ring that powers the motor. Compared to the earlier Arctic products, the addition of the magnetic rings allows the P12 to run more efficiently. The technology makes the fan more energy efficient and reduces the temperature of the coil. The fan has a great RPM range. It can run at speeds ranging from 200 RPM to 1800 RPM. The speed can be easily regulated via a 4-pin connector and can be linked with other cooling fans using Arctic's sharing technology. It is also incredibly quiet at any operating speed. Three number product. Noctua Premium Cooling Fan. The Noctua NF812x25 is a static fan that focuses heavily on performance. One thing you will notice straight away is how close the blades are to the frame. It has a clearance of about 0.5 mm, which allows for a much tighter air channel. The blades spin at a speed of 2000 RPM, which is common for most static fans. The impeller is made from Noctua's own liquid crystal polymer known as Sterox. It has high tensile strength compared to typical fan materials such as ABS or PBT. The product looks quite premium and the Sterox polymer has a nice overall finish. The fans themselves are a bit heavier than your typical case fan of the same size. The extra weight comes from the reinforced brass motor, which creates a stable and rigid structure. It also has anti-vibration mounts. This improves the effectiveness of the fan and also the acoustic performance. Four number product. Corsair Single Pack Cooling Fan. Corsair is known for its stylish and premium style fans, and the ML120 Pro is no exception to that rule. The ML120 Pro has unique features in the form of magnetic levitation. The fan has a magnetic bearing to spin the fan blades, compared to the normal bearings you will find in most fans. This, along with the mounted anti-vibration rubber dampers in the corners of the ML120, increases longevity and makes the fan a lot quieter. ML120 Pro has a maximum speed of 2400 RPM. The flow type of the ML120 is a static pressure type and has PWM control. The airflow of the ML120 is from 12 to 75 CFM. It also has a sound level of 16 to 37 dBA, which is quite silent compared to other air coolers of a similar type. The PWM connector allows you to control various settings of the ML120 Pro. By controlling the speed of the air cooler, you can either reduce the speed to decrease the noise or maximize the RPM to increase the cooling performance. 5 Number Product: Phanteks High Pressure Cooling Fan. If you have a gaming PC, then you must have proper ventilation to keep the components cool. With the Phanteks 140mm F140MP, you can do just that. Compared to the other fans in the series, the F140MP has redesigned blades that are made to get higher air pressure. The blades provide a higher rate of airflow, which in turn results in better cooling. The F140MP is designed to work as both a case and a cooling fan. It has a much bigger base area and a brushless magnetic DC motor. The motor eliminates any issues that may be caused due to resonance or stability. Noise has always been a problem with static pressure fans. To counter the noise, some of the key components of the air cooler have been improved. The PCBA, brushless motor, and the frame itself are modified to keep the noise levels to a minimum. Thanks for watching this video.